Instant art is a revolutionary tool that allows anyone to create stunning pieces of art in seconds. Powered by Stable Diffusion AI, this tool provides unlimited possibilities for creating unique and original artwork. Using Instant Art is incredibly easy. Simply input the desired parameters, such as color scheme and style, and let the AI do the rest. The resulting artwork is always surprising and captivating, with intricate patterns and vibrant colors that are sure to catch the eye. One of the best things about Instant Art is that it's completely free and unlimited. You can create as many pieces of art as you like, without any restrictions or fees. This makes it an ideal tool for artists of all levels, from beginners to professionals. Overall, I highly recommend Instant Art to anyone looking to explore their creative side and produce stunning artwork quickly and easily. With its powerful AI technology and endless possibilities, Instant Art is sure to become a favorite tool among artists and art enthusiasts alike.